Welcome to Mickey Business Study Club. Today we will talk about the 8 KEBAB. Our service aims to make everyone happy in the 8 KEBAB order. We must be the happiest, and that comes first. Go through all the parties involved in the right priority order. This makes your clear decision to last longer, that actually works well. First, putting myself first to be happy is important so that we can make others happy. You must be the happiest person to make others happy and provide happy making service. Passion and inspiration follows when you are happy. Happy, you can perform better in work. Secondly, make your family happy. That will make your life a delight. Spend quality time with your family and keep them safe. Your challenge in work can come after. Thirdly, think how you can contribute to the company. Make your boss happy, more opportunities will be given. Your performance at work will enhance as well. Fourth, subcontractors. Always show your appreciation to the subcontractors, respect and build trust. Think and put in your action to support the subcontractors, they will provide better service. Fifth is shareholder. How can we make our shareholders happy? If the company is our body, money is the flow of the blood. Our health cannot be sustained without the blood. So how can we contribute and provide the best outcome for the shareholders' investment? Our clients are the most important in the business. Without any clients, we do not exist. Be kind and assist them to their goal. Make our clients happy for more than 10 years. Let's make our society happy and contribute to our community. Donate money, donate blood. We contribute to society in any way we can. The last theory is overview the whole country as a society. We think we provide really good support first. Japan Homes offer you comfortable and affordable houses. We build the great further with you together.